Everyone, my name is Shagun and I am the student of this institute, and here we are again playing debate, and today is the new topic. Our team is supporting the job and our opponent team is supporting the business. So let's begin with our opponent team.
Okay, so in my opinion, I think business is very good idea to do, because in the job sector you don't know your job is secure or not. You have to do long hours. You have to work over duty. This is what you get in a job, but in the business you don't have to do that because you're the owner of it. You will do the works according to you. So this is the profit of business. In my opinion, this is very good idea to do.
What about business? Do you never listen about Harshad Mehta case? What kind of scam he did with the people? He shared means he spent that he sold his wrong share towards people, and the people get afraid from it, and people get scammed with them. That's what business you are telling about. Even Harshad Mehta case, as you can know, and the Satyam computer case. Do you never listen about that? How much that case has harmed the people? In 1998. Satyam computer case was there.
Don't see Satyam and the kind of people, see yourself first, okay? And the business is maximum good. It is better than a job, because in business we are the boss and we have that much power to rule everyone and to provide service as well. Business is far better than job. In job you have the freedom. No, you don't have the freedom. You have to ask your boss like we should have the leave or not. But in business, what, we are the boss, we have the freedom. Where we can go.
So in the business, as being a boss in your own business, you are going to do all the work in your business alone. You don't need any people in your business, okay? You are going to do every work alone. You are just your boss, and you are not going to hire any employee. There is no importance of employee in your business. So that's why you need to understand the importance of employee, that how much an employee is really necessary for each and every country, for each and every company, okay? On the other hand, what is the issue of doing the job?
I believe that business learns you, makes you a very good person. Just like business makes the persons like self-reliance, confidence, and the entrepreneurial skills also. Business increasing day by day right now, and you are talking about Harshad Mehta and the businessman. I want to tell you about, there is a businessman called Ambani who are contributing in GDP, who are contributing in India's GDP very well.
Ma'am, where are you living? You are living in the India where is the population is very high, and no one can be a businessman. No, but we can be a employer, which is very good for the India. We know that how much the pressure of the businessman on their work. They are getting the loss in their business, but the job, if we go in the job sector, we create a lots of things and we get the regular salary, and they do not have the stress and anxiety, these kind of things.
Do you really know they don't have stress and anxiety? First, upgrade your knowledge. And I want to ask in simple query: do your mind have a right position, or it is at your knee? That you are saying what actually you are saying? Yes, ma'am, you are talking about the value of employees. I want to clear you the value. Because you are working under the businessman, and you are servant. You are donkey. Want to get opportunity to be a lion? Want you? That's why you have a servant brain. I hope you understand what I'm saying.
You are talking about the stress. So ask from the farmer who has a lot of stress, and he is also a businessman. Ask the family when he hang on the roof from the loan, because he has the burden of the loan which he got from the government, and he is not able to fulfill that loan. That's why he
Excuse me, sir. You are seeing the 1% of the businessmen who are doing fraud. You are not seeing the 99% of the businessmen who are giving very much contribution to our country, who are increasing our GDP. You are not seeing the Tatas and Ambanis. You are just seeing the Harshad Mehta case. And what about the business? Business are giving the employment to the people who are not working. If there were no business, you can't do any jobs in the job sector, and you don't have.
Really, ma'am, do you have too much money to open your own business? If you don't have too much money, so we easily do job. So I can say that the job is better comparison to business. I can say that it's really good for us if we are doing job. If we are doing job, we earn so many money. I can say that we earn so many money comparison to business, because business.
So why, ma'am? Why you want to make yourself servant? You have to do on yourself. You can do. You have a good talent. You can do anything. You have a good idea. You can do business. You can start a business, or you can give the many work for the like.
So you are saying donkey years. So sir, so you are saying donkey years. So biggest donkey you are. You are thinking that business very easy, right? First go to that person who are doing business. Then you tell them what is business. Like if you want to doing business, you want to like doing job to gain some experience about knowledge. It is not about a business.
Shows by your words how much cheap mentality that you are having. Okay, and before doing a business, before having the money, we should have the idea first. This is the thing, not just job experience. We should have the idea like how we are gonna earn the money. And you are saying that business we have the employees. So first of all, the population is increasing. That's why we need to be
Well,
a
on the
businessman
other
to
hand,
provide
you
employment
need
to
a lot of capital, money for starting any business. So do you know about the Indian population, that we can see that how much it is increasing day by day, or it increased. So you can see that each and every person don't have that much money. So at that point of time, the person need to do job first, earn the money, and then you can see that there is
Really,
none of
do
the
you know
population.
because of the low capital and because of the lack of resources, is it a fault of business? No. So why to blame that? We have to understand this is not a responsibility of us. And one more thing I want you to clear, that how many of you are having cheap mentality, that only just doing job, just having a 10 to 50k job. Only, do you know what businessman will hire you? Okay, we are the one that will hire you. You
Okay,
are
sir,
working
you
under
are really,
someone.
you are really means you are really having full knowledge that we only have 50 to 20,000 salary. If we are having a great skill, then we can have a salary of 1 lakh, 15 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees. We can have that kind of salary. Means you are cheap. You are having cheap mentality, and by your words you can show your cheap mentality there.
Well, listen, sir. You're talking about the 1 lakh, 2 lakh salary. If you have skills, you can earn 2 crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Okay. Secondly, if you are living delusion, you are saying business is more like hard to get, job is easier to get. Do you know business more easier than to do a job? And you need mindset. That is how you can earn money. Okay. And second thing is, if you of course you are going to sell cold drink shop in Jammu Kashmir, you will not get any profit. But if you are going to sell more, then you will earn more money.
About the Elon Musk podcast, that he also said that he also had a lots of the depression and a pressure for his the business. But in the job, we can found a lots of job in our country. But the business is very less in our country. But jobs are very great, and we can find the innovative idea in the job sector.
Now I can say that you all are fools because you are getting job because of the businesses. If there were no businesses, you can't able to find any jobs. Also, the people you are getting jobs. If the business is not small or big, if you are doing
So you are talking about business. What about those persons who have not money, who have family problem? How they can do business? And then you are talking about like ideas. So it is not possible. Or if you have money, so you can do business. I have like a second thing, business. Like if you're doing business, you need idea. You need some like.
What do you think about the Tata Ratan? He's a very he's a very he's a very big businessman in the India, and he is earning lots of money.
Really, sir, business is good because first we need experience. By job we get experience. If we don't have experience, we can't open our business. So it is the biggest point. If we have experience, we easily open our business, open our business. But from where we get experience?
Okay, so what are you saying? 15 lakh, 16 lakh? That what you think about it? Only this? We think more than it. We want 50 crore, 60 crore, 20 crore. We want that. And that's why we know that we want to do the business. That's why we are having the mentality. And we will do the business. We will create the employee. Just because the population is getting increased, a person should be there to do the business, to create the
you have
employment.
to take loan. That can be the home loan. And if you get loans in your business, so you have to wash hand from your home, and you will be on the road, and you will be sell tea, and you will something sell on the road.
Okay, so
what will you do with your family?
Sir,
What will you eat to your
talking
family?
about tea, let me remind you, BTech, the engineer who is MBA chai wala. Why did he choose to become a business, to do a business instead of employee? Because he knows business get more money. Okay, learn about it. You're talking about so many things. There are so many benefits, and do you know a momo seller and more than a corporate job? Okay,
Can you open your business in 1 lakh rupees? Can you open? And can you make the network of your business 1 lakh to 60 crore to 100 crore rupees?
It will never happen with you. Okay?
Yes, I can make.
Yes, it
I
will
can
never
make.
happen. It
I
will
can
never
make.
happen.
Yes, I can make. I can make. If you can't make that, that's not my problem. But I can make. Try to have your mind at a higher position. Have you ever seen the Ratan Tata and Mukesh Ambani? Why are they too much famous? Are they doing job? I also want to ask him question. Is there anyone that who is doing the job and having a Bugatti or having such expensive car? You will never find of them. Do you know about the Ratan Tata? I know, I don't want to define them. And you can even find that he was a businessman.
Oh,
but
the students
what kind
are
of
very
thing he
fool.
has done?
Sir, the students are fool who are just doing and preparing for the competitive exam, right? They want their government job. They want their respected seat in this placement. They are fool, right? They are just doing hard work. They are just studying all day, all night. They are fool,
Yes,
right?
they are fool. The people,
I don't
those
think so.
students,
You are
those who
fool.
are
I'm not
doing the
saying
JEE exam preparation, what they are doing? They are doing the suicide. Have you ever seen? Have you ever seen the cases?